How to make any headphones sound better. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can make any headphones sound a lot better by changing this setting. So let's get started. First step is you'll need to open up your control panel. Open up your control panel. Now you can change this to category. I'll just select the category option and there you will see hardware and sound. Tap on hardware and sound and there you should find your sound settings. You can see the sound settings. Tap on sound and this should open up. So right here you'll find your headphones. You can open that up. Since this is not connected right now, I'll show you what you can actually do. After you open up your headphones, just suppose that this is headphones, then what you can do is here you will see enable audio enhancements. You can turn that on. After you turn that on, your settings will get applied and ultimately your headphones will sound better. So right here under headphones, you'll also find an option that says bass mode. Simply select that and then tap on apply and then tap on OK. Doing that, your now headphones, any headphones that you connect will sound a lot better on your Windows device. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.